Come test drive this 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, Onstar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.